Yeah. 300 meters. That's a squad something. Squad Juma. Reduce speed diversion. And now going back. Okay. Just like that. Yep. Just like that.
Yeah. Within an hour and a half. Yeah, these days it takes longer. Yeah. You see, once we hit Nakuru, sasa tunaona inakaribia. The traffic is heavy. Mpaka these guys unachukua 3 hours. Nashindwa. And it should be 2 hours.
Seat belt compulsory, ndio hiyo andikwa tena. Where are the industries? It's industries.
And this is in the port side. It's not in the port area, not here.
The port area,
Yeah.
okay. And where do you extract the oil or gold or?
That one is the Abu Dhabi, not here.
In Abu Dhabi,
Yes.
not here. Okay.
Abu Dhabi is ahead of Dubai in terms of being rich.
Being rich? Oh yeah, because Dubai is the second one.
Yeah.
Okay. So they have those things.
So the prince is in Abu Dhabi or Dubai?
Everyone state have own
Has
prince.
its own prince.
Yeah.
And the one for Abu Dhabi is the most senior one. Then followed
They
by
are
this one.
capital of the UAE.
Oh, the capital of UAE.
Yes.
Oh, okay. The oil, yeah, because it was like drilling,
It's
eh?
a rig.
Oh, that one, eh? Wow, that one. Yeah. And so, for you, the petrol is very cheap here, right?
It's not much cheap, but it's
Like $1, $2?
yeah, like $1
$1 per liter.
later.
And $1 is like 35, 36 dirhams.
No, $1 is 3 dirhams.
Oh, 3 dirhams.
Yeah.
Hey, it's cheap. It's cheap here.
Yes.
In our country, it's very expensive. No, I'm saying the oil in our country is expensive.
we are saying never.
Yeah, more than $1 for 1 liter. 1 liter, yeah.
The currency is
because in my country is 130 Kenya shillings for $1, but the petrol goes for 170, 180. There was a time it went for 200. Yeah, very expensive.
If you came in 2010, yeah. So it just now sways between currency. Hizi vitu zingine ati mnaenda hepi, mnaenda wapi?
Ndio ile sunset sasa.
Oh. So those guys are there
Wakapata hiyo.
Okay.
Unajua kwetu hiyo jaset. Guys, look at the beautiful, beautiful sunset here in Dubai. Wow. Looks nice. Guys, enjoy. The roads are great as well. You can see and enjoy them as well. Things are going to happen. Wow. This is where you can see the vehicles. Let us now go and see how. Wow. Wow. Now here is strategic. Yeah. We can view the sunset clearly from here. Wow. But wow, the vehicle is stuck in the dunes, guys. Look. Wow, how will it come out? Look at the sunset, guys. Wow, it's so clear. Hey, I thought it was only in Africa, even in UAE. But I think UAE has the hottest sunlight. Hottest. Times is go to 47. Very, very high sunlights. So it is not in vain that it's here. We are still here, guys. We are still here. Enjoying these things. Here we are still moving, guys. We are still moving in the desert. In the desert, but now not where we were before. Yeah, so here we are moving towards where we are going to have our dinner in the desert. Look at this vehicle. Wow. It was to cause an accident here, surely. What's wrong with him? Wow. That was close. Near miss. Wow. Ish. Ish. Hey. Hey, look at that one. Guy. He can hear. Hey. At Kenya. No, a Kenyan can't drive here for sure. Can't.
You see, it's like they feel like this is what actually there's a driver. There's Hamilton who does this right. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. He's created a race. The drivers feel the fetish.
But I think I can go for this driving people on these roads, in this desert. Check. Back on the other side. The one was racing. Stefan was black, grayish. That's tricky. What? Wow. That's tricky. Hey, look at that one. Hey, look at it. Can't move. Imagine it is stuck on the dunes. It's like it's stuck in the mud in Africa. Oh my God.
They're very together. Yeah.
It's like they belong to the same company. Eh? The same company. Desert Express. Finally, we have arrived here at the Desert Express. This is our destination for the dinner. And so many people are coming here for the dinner, you can see. I think it's the showstopper. After desert drive, then you are driven inside the desert, another side, to come and have your dinner and call it a day. Welcome and thank you. Bottles za maji mtoe. Hey, this one will need some water. Wow. This is the Desert Express. So yeah, now food will be served. Yep. This is how it is. Huh? There is one here. We are going to. Oh, yeah. We can even. Yes? We wait. Wait, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Wait, of course, I will be...
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
Sasa tumeanza kusikia kapariti.
I just started feeling it in the bus. Okay. That's Dubai, right there. You said you can, you follow.
Let's go.
Yes. Ooh. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, I'm okay. Yeah. Oh, ulipita hivyo? It's okay. So here we have to queue something. Amesema tumfuate. Follow him.
Go follow him.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. He has told us to follow you. Also, you are ahead of us. Wow, this place. Wow. This is how things are here. Wow. Nice. This is nice. It's a very, very nice place. Wow. Hey. This is nice. Hey. Wow, and then the food. There. Okay. He's giving us where to sit. So you say?
And this one? So this one? And this one?
And
yes.
We sit here.
Songeni huko. Twende huko. Kama tuko sawa.
outside camera is
Si amesema hata zile mnaweza
outside camera is premium. Yeah, free. And it's there. Anje.
Usin tukae hapa.
Yeah,
Tukaeni tu hapa. Yeah, so guys, we are here for our dinner, desert dinner. And this is how the place looks like. The place looks like that.
Leo wewe ndio utasimama uende kudance.
Nice. Oh, they'll be dancing here, right? Then we are in the right place. You see now. Tuko poa.
yes.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Time for dinner, guys. The desert bush dinner is taking place. That's how it's shaping up. Shaping up like that. Yay. So we are going for the dinner. Let us eat together. Guys, this is the dinner we are taking now. The queue is still there. People are still serving, and this is how it's going down, guys. This is how it's going down here in the desert. The eating is like that. It's well organized. People are eating, and the queue, and the way the queue has been organized is just super. See, you take your food and then you get your nyama the other side. Meat.
And the ladies, the men, and the women.
And the ladies, they queue differently from the men. Different lanes, you can see. Ladies this side, men the other side. That is how it is. We are enjoying here, and we thank God for the provision, you know. Yeah?
Sure.
Yes. Like that. Yes. So, let me just eat, you guys. Let me just eat. Dinner in the desert. Dinner in the desert. Ooh. Wow. Here now, guys, it's entertainment. It's entertainment after entertainment. These two ladies are entertaining us. We have with fierce fires. What? You know? But because of copyright, their music, that music they are dancing to will not be aired on this channel. Just see the dance, the action. Just imagine that you are deaf, but you are not blind. You are able to see. Yeah, so just enjoy what you are seeing. Because of copyright, I've told you, we are not going to play the music, but you can see the actions. And yeah, so let us just enjoy these ladies, their actions. We are not going to play the music, they are dancing too. Just your eyes and enjoy. Yeah, and also in quietness, without me speaking or voiceover, you can still just enjoy. So like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you.
Wamemaliza session yao
Me for 4 minutes. More music, guys, more music, but we are not going to air them. And here, surprise, even here, somebody is hawking. Yeah? Hawking is kind of in an international job or what? Because I can see somebody hawking things around. Yeah. So it's not a new thing here, but enjoy. He's selling to a mom who has a baby. Wow, the tricks.
Watoto wakiwa wadogo walikuwa watu walikuwa wanakuja na toy wanashikisha mtoto karibu kumnyang'anya.
Hata Wakenya wanakuwa na tabia mbaya, anakuja anashikisha mtoto toy.
Hata wengine anakuja
Mtoto
baluni inakuwa kwa mti. Anakuja anapea mtoto.
Now let us enjoy this game. Eh? This gymnastics kind of. I don't know whether. Wow, but this one carried the day for sure. These ones. Wow. I don't know. And they are not falling. They keep on swinging like this on their feet. No special shoes. But I think I think practice makes perfect. Where? They do it, and me, I tried it at the Dow dinner. I just went, I think, like 4 times, and I felt like I'm about to fall. But these people, they've mastered the art of this thing. Yeah. This skirt of theirs is doing magic. Soon it will start releasing some light. So he's throwing those ones away. And now he wants to show us. Show them. Where? No joke here in Dubai. Look, the colors have changed. It's like it has some electricity inside or something. But I tried the other one. It was just a skirt like any other, with I think some heavy metals at the end, at the hem of the skirt. So guys, just enjoy what you are seeing, and kindly like the video, comment, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Things have changed. See, things have now changed. And you can't imagine that's a human being. But it's a human being with blood and water inside the body. Yeah, see. Wow. Where? Look at the head. The head is there. Those are the arms carrying that skirt up there to form an umbrella. And it's just spectacular to see. Yeah. So keep enjoying. Keep enjoying. He's folding, you could think that he's carrying a small baby, but it's the upper skirt that he was using that now he's folding. Wow. Where? Yes, just like that. And then keep enjoying, guys. Keep enjoying. Let me not interfere with your viewing. Just enjoy.
Basi anatumia energy more. Anatumia energy more. Na huyu hajaanguka vile Suji alianguka after 1 minute.
Sasa tena that becomes an issue surely Flo. Am I an expert? Surely. Ungesema me Flora did not fall like Suji fell. Sindio?
Na siwe peke yako.
Here we are told never to play with the fire. But here in Dubai, see? Eh? Fire on the arms, on the hands, fire on the head, and she's dancing to some music. The music that is copyrighted that we cannot play here. But this is what the flexible body can do. Where? These ladies. Where? So just enjoy.
Anazima na mdomo we.
It's like another episode is coming. Let's wait and see. Yeah. See. What? Those are kind of chiffon materials. And you could, from far, you could think it's fire. It's foil up there. But it's not. Where? These people are talented. Guys, like the video. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Now she's dancing. She's dancing now. What? She's dancing. Human beings have talent. Human beings are not limited. Eh? You can stretch yourself. You can push yourself. Yeah. What? Fire, then something like a flag. Now she's free, but flexible. Just showing us these moves. So guys, just enjoy. Just enjoy, but remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And if you're watching and you've never subscribed, kindly press on the subscription button and subscribe to the channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very special announcement. We have a very special guest who was celebrating his wedding anniversary today on table number 15, Mr. Rakesh and Mrs. Rakesh. Our best wishes with you. Please clap for their best wishes.
We are now waiting for more. We are waiting for more. Yeah? We are anticipating and expectant of more action from these groups here. Hey, more entertainment, guys. It is nice. It is nice. So only that all the songs are copyrighted, but kindly support by subscribing to the channel. Sight enjoyment. Just enjoy. You can now see they are folding that. And then let's see what is coming up. We also have no clue what is going to happen next, but surprises are always good. Stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start our last highlight of tonight. But I'm sure, please welcome Mr. Graceful
Kasip.
I think we are going to have more action here. You can see the artist dressing up for action. Now. Where another one has come with fire. Where they are burning themselves. Oh my God. Oh, it is very cold here in the desert. I think they are bringing for us this warmth, for us to feel at least a bit of warmth in this place. It's cold. It's cold at night. It's very cold. So we are here at night. We've eaten our dinner, but we are here for entertainment. And these are the entertainments we are getting. He has brought for us the warmth to be near us, because it's real fire for sure. It's fire. I'm not joking. It's fire. It's fire. And it's not getting burnt. That's the mystery. It's not getting burnt. Yeah. So just enjoy what you are seeing. Get surprised as us. Get those chilling shivers. But it is all entertainment in UAE. Entertainment made in UAE. Where? Look. Where? Wow. So just continue watching, and for us to get more of this, kindly subscribe. These people are full of surprises. We don't know what's coming next. But there's smoke behind there. There's smoke. What is it? But that one is an aeroplane passing. I think going to the airport, passing through the desert. And yeah, I think these people are full of surprises. Just let's see what is coming next. Aha, this person has come. Oh, what? He has lit the fire. Not lit the fire. I think he went with the fire, but somebody has poured kerosene or something. Has added there. Oh, more. Oh no, oh no. You see? That is kerosene on the floor or something. I don't know. But it's real fire, guys. It's real fire. Where? Yeah. Let us just enjoy seeing what we are seeing. But we can't play the music they are performing to because it's of copyright. It's prohibited. This can't go on air with any of their music. Yeah. And yeah, so those are the things. They don't want us to carry these ones away. But that's why I'm muting. But it was so interesting. I felt that my subscribers should actually see what I brought for them. I'm bringing for them from Dubai. From Dubai. Yeah. So, where? Yeah. These people. In Africa, we are told, never play with fire. But here in Dubai, it's the order of the day. They're just playing with fire. Fire. And they perfected the art that they don't even get burned. Oh my God. So, guys, just continue watching. Just be entertained. That's what I can say. More fire. More fire. Bringing out different patterns. Ish. Ish. It is real. It is. It's not any magic, but they're doing it. It's real. There's no magic here. Yeah. Well, let's just continue watching. Where? These people. I don't know. Even if it's earning, they must be earning huge sums of dirhams. Guys, dirhams is the currency for the UAE. They use dirhams, while United States uses dollar, and Kenya we use Kenya shilling. Tanzania they use Tanzanian shilling, and Uganda use Ugandan shilling. So in UAE they use dirhams. So that's what I'm saying, that these people must be paid handsomely in terms of thousands and thousands of dirhams. Yeah. Another action, guys. Where? Where? Oh my God. Our evening is packed with actions. dances, gymnastics kind of, fire, but a lot of fire here. Is it because we fear fire? That's why I'm seeing it a lot. But there's a lot of fireworks here. Oh my God. Yeah, so this is what is happening. Just continue watching. Just continue watching. I don't know whether it's just entertainment or we are supposed to learn something from these actions. But it's a lot of fire all the time. He wants people to put it off by mouth. It's not possible. Okay. It's going round. Yeah, he wants the fight to be put off. Like, pooh, pooh. Oh, that person has done it. That person has done it. Yeah. Oh, that is how it is.
Wow.
Another action. Hey, they're running with fire. Uh-huh. Let me see. What? You remember where there was smoke? There's fire outside there. Let us see what they're up to. It's like they're running there. There's even a vehicle passing. What? Let us see. There's a lot of fire outside there. Well, there was a lot of smoke at one point. Wow. It was an action plan. See, See what is up there. Wow, 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 that's beautiful. That's beautiful fireworks. Wow. So that's where he was running to. Where? This is beautiful. I've really enjoyed. Thank you. Now it's time for people to leave and go back to the city, come from the desert to the city, to Dubai city, so that now, yeah, we do other things. So guys, this video was very inspiring. Kindly like it, give a comment, and say sweet words, and also remember to subscribe. Guys, people are leaving now, and now this marks the end of our desert dinner. Have a blessed day. Bye.